These homegrown non-GMO dill seeds were really easy to get started with, and the instructions were simple and beginner friendly to follow. We have some spring showers, so I decided to plant my dill. So I replanted my parsley here, and I'm gonna put dill here because dill is gonna grow tall. I don't want it to be in the front to cover everything, so sprinkling. Go this way too. Got some worms in there, which is good. Here is what I planted, the dill, a few days ago, and you can already see little sprouts forming right where I planted.